Organizations are constantly making workforce decisions: how teams should be structured, where costs are changing, which skills will be needed, and how the workforce should evolve over time. Nakisa Workforce Planning brings these decisions together in one connected suite, giving HR and business leaders the visibility, tools, and insights needed to move from understanding the organization to actively planning its future. With Org Insight, you can explore the organization through an interactive org chart built from workforce data across systems such as Workday, SAP, Oracle, and other HR sources. This gives you a trusted and current view of the organization, where you can immediately see reporting relationships, including matrix structures, shared positions, vacancies, managers, and individual contributors. You can also customize what appears on each position by adding information such as job family, compensation, performance, tenure, key roles, or risk of loss, depending on the workforce question you are trying to answer. The org chart is more than a visualization. It gives you analytics directly within the organizational structure, including headcount, span of control, organizational layers, salary, and compensation. You can filter the organization by various workforce criteria and then drill from a high-level number into the employees, positions, skills, and details behind it. Configurable dashboards give you another way to explore workforce trends and executive-level metrics. Dashboards can be tailored to different audiences and use cases, with charts, maps, pivot tables, and workforce indicators arranged to highlight the information that matters most. For example, you can compare average salaries by pay grade and gender, adjust the visualization, and reorganize the dashboard to support your analysis. When you identify an opportunity for change, you can move directly into org design. Managers and HR teams can create positions, move teams through drag and drop, assign incumbents, remove roles, and model proposed structures without changing the live organization. Every action is tracked, allowing collaborators and approvers to review the proposal, discuss changes, and attach supporting documentation within the same workflow. For larger transformations, strategic org design allows you to define objectives, tag positions, set organizational targets, and compare the current structure with a proposed future state. Delta dashboards show how each scenario affects headcount, cost, vacancies, spans, and layers, helping decision-makers clearly understand the impact before moving forward. From anywhere within the Workforce Planning Suite, you can move into Nakisa Decision Intelligence, or NDI, adding agentic capabilities on top of the workforce processes and data already in place. You can ask complex workforce questions in plain language, investigate the factors driving an outcome, compare scenarios, and identify possible actions. NDI explains how it arrived at each result and allows you to validate the analysis directly against the underlying data. AI supports the decision-making process while you remain in control. From workforce visibility to organizational design and long-term planning, Nakisa provides one connected environment for making workforce decisions that are faster, more collaborative, and grounded in trusted data.